All right, guys, what's up? Finally, we are out of the parking lot again, and we went even farther today. We are all the way in Utah. We have the new black van. So if you guys don't know, this is Caden. He is from
Garden Garage.
Yep, so that's his YouTube channel. If you don't know anything about it, you should head over there, check that out. So we are out here. We are going to be doing some off-roading, overlanding. We're going to be doing some shooting. We're gonna just have a good time. That's what guys and girls do out here. So enough jibber jabbering, let's go have some fun. We are at the Grand Canyon. To me, this is amazing. This is my first time ever seeing this, and I am just definitely enjoying the view. He doesn't like it. He thinks it's very dangerous, and he doesn't like going anywhere near it. We had a ton of fun getting out here in our Polaris RZR, Light Force Polaris RZR. That was a good time, but just amazing nature at its best, and this is what it's all about. Just about getting out and enjoying just God's beautiful everything. The van and RZR have been taken over. We are doing a photo shoot, and then hopefully we're gonna get to go shooting today. That's what I really want to go do. But all kinds of cool stuff going on with a lot of other people here. We are at Cobalt Kinetics private range, getting to watch these guys shoot, and then we get to do some shooting. We're gonna have some fun.